Hello, in this video, I'll be reciting the poem titled Ambush, written by Bemisola Adeoti, and it goes like this. The land is a giant whale that swallows the sinker, with hook, line, and bait, aborting dreams of a good catch. Fishers turn home at dusk, blue Peter on empty ships. All Peters with petered old desires. The land is a saber-toothed tiger that cries deep in the glade, while infants shudder home. The grizzled ones snatched their gods, their bayonets of tribulations. Halting virtuous walk at dusk. The land is a giant hawk that cuts unceasing disasters. As it hovers and halts in space, the land lies patiently ahead, awaiting in ambush. Those who point away from a direction where nothing happens toward the shore of possibilities. So this is pretty much the poem. In the next video, I'll be treating the content and meaning from the poem Ambush.